Is it recording? I don't know if it's recording.
It's recording.
Okay, so I'm doing number group. So first, we're gonna have 4 classes. One is the interface. So the first one is interface. And this number group is public boolean contains and value. And basically, there's gonna be a contains method in every single one of these classes, and multiple groups and ranges in range. So we're looking here in the range. This is like initial zero argument constructor, and it's public range. Basically, what it's doing here in this spot is it's adding a number into each range. Yeah, a number. So if it's like num1 is 1 and num2 is 5, it's gonna numbers dot add I. So it's gonna add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into its array list, which is right here. This array list. So it's gonna add them into array list. So it's like a range. So the contains method right here is saying that if the value is between 1 and 2, then it returns true. If it's not between, if it's between the first number and the second number, then it's true. If it's not, it's false. Basically checking to see if there's a number between the two integers. We go into multiple groups. Multiple groups also has contains method, and this is actually, it's gonna take in ranges and make them into a bigger group called multiple groups. So the big group is gonna contain a group of ranges, and this contains method is gonna go through each group list, and each group list is an array list and number group. Yeah. And now we'll go to the driver. Driver, there's like ranges. There's 4 ranges. There's the ranges are being added into the big group. There's only one multiple group. So the 4 ranges are being added into the big group. So then if you run it, returns true, true and false. And we can look at the driver system that I'll print M1 that contains 2. Does it contain 2 between the first number and the second number? And yes, it does. You can see that between 1 and 5, between -1 and 3. That's it. And then the second one, it's also the same thing. Just look at this. The ranges is contained between 2 and 17. And then, so that's true if these two are true. But when it's asking if it contains 50, is the 50 between the ranges, between the two numbers? It's false because none of these have 50. Yeah. Thank you.